Kilo November 4 Golf Uniform Sierra Portable.
A portable. Well, what's the name there, sir?
Good afternoon. The name here is Ken Kilo Echo November from Angier, North Carolina.
Okay, I got the name is Tom, and you're in North Carolina. Is that a Roger?
Negative. Ken Kilo Echo November. Kilo Echo November. QSL.
Your name is Ken?
Roger. Ken Kilo Echo November.
Ken Kilo Echo November. All right. Well, we're getting close there. Are you in North Carolina, sir?
My backyard. I thought I'd throw up the buddy pole antenna, look at my ST891 and see if I could get any contacts, and I appreciate you taking my call.
Yeah, so I'm going to pull my vertical mag loop around to 109 degrees and see if I can copy you better on that than my dipole. Come back and talk to me for just a second.
Roger. 959. Got a good signal coming into my QTH, but I've been monitoring the email and just been looking at things, but listening as you've been checking my microphones and input, but I thought I would at least give a shout out and appreciate you taking it.
Roger, sir. Well, I am copying you fairly well on the Milford PA SDR. And what kind of power are you running, sir?
I'm running 98 watts, 98 watts, USL.
Alrighty, 98 watts. And what kind of antenna system are you running, sir?
I'm running a buddy pole antenna with a
Copy, buddy pole antenna. Well, you're making the trip there. You're making the trip to Milford, Pennsylvania, anyway. I don't have that good a copy on you locally, and we're located just across the river from Louisville, Roger.
Roger. Like I said, you got a good signal coming into mine, but I was just wondering how I was getting out, but I appreciate your feedback.
Roger that. And try one more time with the name. I want to be sure I get the name down. Phonetically slowly.
Kilo Echo November. Kilo Echo November. Kilowatt. Energy. Nancy.
Ah, Ken. My friend Ken. What? I can hear you now. Thank you, sir. I don't want to take too much of your time. I know that you're looking to QS-Live or whatever to quit, but I just thought I'd give you a shout. Thanks a lot. Roger, Ken, 3's that way, sir. Sounding good in Milford, PA. We'll catch you later. And with that, we have turned into a pumpkin. My gosh. So we got to get out of here again. I can't find the clothes. Never can find the clothes. I'm gonna scotch tape that close to something so I can find it to read it at the end. But until then, we'll just do without it. And I'll say thanks everybody for participating. If you want to hear what your audio sounds like, if you go to YouTube and do a call letter search for Kilo Charlie 9 Victor Kilo Victor, that will take you to our Qso-Vlog page. We're running about 1,070 recorded Qsos at the moment. You'll be looking for one on page 1 that's entitled My Group Air Check 42420. Again, the title, My Group Air Check 42420. So with that, we'll say 3's, and we'll be returning this frequency to normal amateur radio use. This is a KC9VKV clear.